It's not totally intuitive. Well, I don't think it is. So I'm in the preferences here. We've got two sections here. One's for the editor tab and one's the appearance behavior. So if we go into appearance and behavior, let me just drop this down. We've got appearance. And as you can see here, it's what Android Studio calls a theme. And you've got two, default, which is like a light theme, or the darkular theme that I use. So I've got it set to darkular. That's fine and dandy, but you can't actually, well, I don't know of how to do it from here. You can't actually install other themes. But what you can do is you can install color fonts, which is basically the same as a theme. So let's go to editor here and drop that down, and notice here you've got colors and fonts. And in Android Studio they call this the scheme, and you'll probably recognize some of these names. You've got Zenboon, Solarist, Relax Your Eyes, Ladies Night. So in here we can actually install a scheme, which is like a theme. And so we can install a scheme here and enable it as such. So for here I'm using Ladies Night 2. The 15 is just the font size because I like using bigger fonts so people can see it easier on my videos. Anyway, so what we're going to do is install a new scheme. Okay, so the next step is to download a color scheme or a theme. So if you look here, you've got I just done a search of Android Studio themes, and what have we got? Fourth one down, we've got this color themes website. Let's go to that. And Ladies Night seems to be popular, 292,000 downloads. So we've got a bunch of other things. I want to install a dark theme that I haven't already installed. You're probably shouting at me, install this, install that. But I like the look of wombats, and I like wombats, so I'm going to download the wombat theme. Okay, so I think we'll be supported. It doesn't say so here, but IDA, WebStorm, a lot of these, PHP Storm, they're all built by the same company. So click download. Okay, so we've now downloaded that, I hope. So the next stage here is to go into Android Studio, go into File, and go into Import Settings. Now, this will be in my Download section. And up the top here, we have the Wombat jar. So I'm just going to double click on that. And it's telling me to import all the color editor colors, which is good. I feel good about that. Select OK. And now we need to restart Android Studio. Open up the same project. Okay, I still think I'm using the Ladies Night theme, so let's go back into our preferences and we go into colors and fonts here. I'm saying it's default. And let's see if we can find that wombat, was it? And it doesn't seem to be there, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close down my Android Studio and start that back up again. Here we are. Reload the project again. So it has changed my theme, but I don't want this one. So I'll go into Preferences setting here and search for Wombat, then select OK. And we've now switched to the Wombat theme. So I don't really like this one. I want to go back to Ladies Night, so I can go back to my preferences and select on down and Ladies. This is the one I like, slightly larger text, and select OK.